Welcome to a guided meditation session. I am Vidhika and I'll guide you today through a blissful meditation experience. You may begin this guided meditation by sitting in an upright position or lying down flat on your back. Make sure you are not in contact with anything. Place your hands on your laps if you are sitting, or by your side if you are lying down. Now go ahead and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to settle in a pure state of relaxation, giving yourself the permission to fully let go. Take a deep breath in, letting it all go as you breathe out. Some thoughts might be drifting in your mind. Allow them to continue passing by and offer no resistance. We meditate to simply notice things just as they are without any judgment. Start to focus on any sound that you hear. Maybe it's the sound of the vehicles passing by, or maybe it's the sound of the nature around you. Take a moment to let it all settle in. Simply allow those sounds and thoughts, if any, to appear and fade away slowly. Now that you have observed your external environment, start to observe things within your body. Slowly become aware of the warmth in your feet and toes. Become aware of the sensation in your hips where it touches the ground. Some parts of your body will be more relaxed, and some parts will be tighter. Observe it and try to send your breath to those parts. As you become aware of your body, move on to your deep breathing. Without changing anything, begin to notice the depth of your breath. Do so by noticing the area between your upper lips and nostrils. Notice how your breath feels cooler when you inhale and warmer when you exhale. As you begin to notice, more than likely, the breath will deepen automatically. Take this moment to free your mind from all of your busy thoughts, your to-do list, all of your stress, just letting it roll off your shoulders. We often move through life in such a hurry, always rushing to get to that next goal. Take this time to slow down, making the space your own. If your mind has wandered off, focus on your breath and you will notice that you draw yourself to the present moment. Take some deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Try to match the duration of your inhale and exhales. Count to 1 to 8 as you inhale. And count backwards from 8 to 1 as you exhale. So now, as you stay with your breath in the present moment, simply allow the stillness to gently expand. This place is yours as long as you need it. If you feel that you're ready to guide it out and return to your day, start moving your toes and fingers gently. Maybe move your head side to side. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes, feeling re-energized and ready to take on the rest of your day. Thank you for letting me guide you through the session. I'll see you next time on your own time.